Dad.
And the ladies. All right, guys, what do we got going on today?
Jump out the plane.
Little skydiving, man. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
It's 50-50.
Yeah. Dude, I heard it was 40 earlier. Dude, you are rapidly aging in front of you.
Super well.
Dude, that's insane. All right, man. Well, it looks like a couple of you guys are ready to rock and roll, ready to do this. I think I'm probably ready. Maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we find out, right?
Yeah.
All right, dude. All right, high fives up top. Woo-hoo. Let's go have some fun. Woo! Woo! Here we go. You ready?
Go.
You guys are crazy. Let's get in, get up, get out of this thing, go have some fun in the sky.
Sounds good.
High five. High five. Here we go. Oh yeah. Hey. There we go. Put the rain out there, Lee. Here we go. Let's go rock and roll. Smile.
Hell yeah! Woo!
Hands up. Yeah, pull the left one hard, all the way down. Oh yeah, all the way down. Hold it down, and up. Nice. Good.
Yeah!
All the way around, 360. Nice.
Hell yeah!
Nice. Woo! We did. What do you think?
Sick stuff, man.
You're gonna do that again?
Of course.
Come back, see me again, and I'll let you open the parachute. Just gotta find the golf ball and pull it out. What was your favorite part?
Gotta be jumping out of the plane.
Yeah.
The initial fall.
It's got a Colorado Springs. High five, bro.
Thank you, man.
Woo!